Sanding drywall sounds simple until you're standing in a cloud of dust, your arms are sore, and you still have half a wall left to go. That's when you realize the right drywall sander can make or break your project. That's why, in this video, I'm going over the 6 best drywall sanders that actually make sanding faster, cleaner, and a lot less painful. From lightweight handheld models to pro-level tools that make tough jobs easier, I've narrowed it down to the sanders that really deliver smooth walls without the mess. You'll find links to the best prices for all the drywall sanders mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these drywall sanders aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Hyde 09-17-0 Dust-Free Pole Sander Kit. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Sanding drywall by hand can get very messy, but this kit fixes that problem completely. The Hyde kit connects directly to any wet/dry vacuum and pulls in the dust as you sand. That means your floors, furniture, and lungs stay clean while you work. It also comes with a 6-foot hose and multiple coupling adapters. It fits most standard vacuums like 1 3/4 inches, 1 1/2 inches, or 2 1/2 inches hose sizes. You don't need to buy extra parts to make it work. Plus, with the easy clamp system, changing sanding screens takes just a few seconds and you don't need any tools. You can also swap between grits fast and keep moving instead of wasting time mid-project. Though the pole isn't included, which is how it keeps the price low, you can attach any standard extension pole you already have lying around. That makes it flexible and affordable for home projects or small jobs. Overall, if you're looking for a low-cost way to keep your sanding dust-free and easy to handle, the Hyde 09-17-0 Dust-Free Pole Sander Kit is a simple, smart pick. Number 5 is the WENDW-10-85 Handheld Drywall Sander. This is the best handheld drywall sander on our list. This drywall sander feels powerful, but it's very easy to control. It's compact, light, and fits comfortably in your hands, which makes it great for both quick touch-ups and bigger sanding jobs. It runs on a 10-amp variable speed motor that goes from 1,500 to 2,300 rotations per minute. You can also slow it down for detail work or crank it up when you need to move fast. The 8.5-inch sanding pad covers a wide area and helps you finish faster without sacrificing smoothness. It also has a dust collection bag. You don't need to hook up a separate vacuum. It catches most of the dust as you go and keeps your workspace and lungs cleaner. Plus, it has a suction strength adjustment wheel on the handle, so you can decide how much power you need. And a reversible handle means whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can switch it to whichever side feels natural. And at just 6.6 pounds, it won't tire your arms out, even during longer sessions. If you're using Wien's own DW series sandpaper, the hook and loop backing makes swapping sheets quick. Overall, it's a solid pick for anyone who wants power, comfort, and less mess, all in one handheld sander. Number 4 is the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drywall Sander. This is the best cordless option on our list. If you hate dragging cords around or constantly switching outlets while sanding, this one's gonna feel like freedom. It's fully cordless, powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, so you can move anywhere on the job without getting tangled up. It uses a brushless motor, which means better runtime, less maintenance, and more durability over time. And you don't have to worry about replacing brushes or dealing with motor wear. The telescoping shaft is another nice bonus. You can easily reach ceilings, tall walls, and tight corners without climbing up and down a ladder every few minutes. You can also pair it with a DeWalt dust extractor. It connects wirelessly using tool control, so the sander and vacuum start and stop together. Even without that setup, it connects quickly using DeWalt's airlock system, which keeps dust under control. There's also a variable speed dial, so you can slow down or crank up the speed when you need more power. The 9-inch sanding pad works with standard hook and loop sandpaper or mesh, and it removes material fast without kicking up a mess. Now, it's pricey, but if you already have DeWalt batteries, it's totally worth it for the power and mobility it gives you. As Arik wrote, "I took a leap buying this, but it is worth every penny." Better, smoother finish than other methods, probably cuts down on time by 5 to 10 times, and dramatically cuts down on dust. Because it is so effective, I recommend getting a centrifugal separator. Overall, Overall, if you want pro-level performance without being tied to a cord, the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drywall sander is the one to get. And if you want to know the latest prices for the drywall sanders discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Hyde 09-16-5 Drywall Vacuum Hand Sander. This is the best manual drywall sander on our list. This drywall sander is very easy to use. It's a hand sander that hooks right up to any shop vac. Instead of being covered in drywall dust from head to toe, it pulls that dust straight into the vacuum as you sand. Your floors, furniture, and lungs will definitely thank you for that. Now, it comes with a 6-foot hose and a universal coupling adapter that fits most vacuum hose sizes, so setup's quick and painless. You also get a reversible sanding screen, which means when one side wears out, you can just flip it and keep going. Swapping out sandpaper is easy too, thanks to the Easy Clamp system. You just pop the old one off, clip the new one in, and you're back to work in seconds. Plus, it feels very light and smooth in the hand. And because it's fully manual, you have total control over how much you sand. This is perfect for smaller projects, touch-ups, or even entire rooms if you have the patience. Overall, if you want a clean, dust-free sanding setup without spending much, the Hyde 09-16-5 is hands down the best manual drywall sander out there. Number 2 is the Warner Plastic Pole Sander Head. This is the best value for money option on our list. This option is not only simple to use, but is very affordable and reliable as well. It's a lightweight plastic pole sander head that connects easily to a standard extension pole. You can reach high walls or ceilings without using a ladder. It's sold as the head only, but that also means you can pair it with whatever handle length works best for you. Now, this is very light and easy to handle. When you're sanding overhead for long stretches, this matters a lot. You're not fighting against the weight like with some heavy-duty electric sanders. It's also designed to hold sandpaper securely, so it stays flat and smooth against the wall without slipping or catching on edges. It comes at a small price for something that'll last through plenty of drywall jobs. Overall, if you're after a value drywall sander that's light, sturdy, and easy to control, the Warner Plastic Pole Sander Head is a great pick for the price. Number 1 is the WENDW 50-84 Dual Head Drywall Sander. This is the best overall drywall sander on our list. If you have a major drywall job ahead, like walls, ceilings, or an entire renovation, this sander helps you get it done quicker and cleaner. It has a powerful 5-amp motor right on the sanding head, which means you get steady torque without losing power. And because of variable speed, you can adjust it anywhere from 600 to 1500 resolutions per minute, depending on how aggressive or gentle you need it to be. Plus, its 2-in-1 design comes with both a round head and a triangular head that you can swap out without tools. The round one handles large flat areas, while the triangular head gets into corners and tight spots, so you don't need 2 different sanders. It also controls dust very nicely. The 15-foot hose connects to your shop vac, and the improved hole layout on the round head really pulls in the dust instead of letting it float around. Dave puts it as, "I was very surprised how well this sander kept the drywall compound dust under control. I read in another review that 95% of the dust was sucked up. I think it's more like 98% of the dust. I'm very glad I bought this. I wish I would have bought a model that had a light built into it, but this one did everything I needed it to do." My wife was very happy that she didn't have to clean up drywall dust for days, but you'll still want a good vacuum filter, but compared to most sanders, the cleanup is minimal. It also folds down for easy storage and transport, and comes with 6 sanding discs and 6 triangular sandpapers and different grits, and you get a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Overall, if you want one drywall sander that does it all, big areas, corners, ceilings, without leaving your space covered in dust, the WENDW 5084 nails it. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect drywall sander. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each sander. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.